Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us. This is Yoel Kortick, Senior Librarian at Libris, and today we're going to be talking about a new feature which came out in November 2020. It's a month and a half old, but fairly new, in which network zone members of a consortia, member institutions, can access and use reports created by the network zone. That means the network zone can create all kinds of reports, and members, if defined properly, or if defined so that they can view these reports, will be able to consume, to use these reports. They won't be able to save in the network zone, but they'll be able to use the reports from the network zone. And let's take a look at this. We're going to start with a member. We're going to look at two members, define one member as able to access the reports from the network zone, the other member as not able to access from the network zone, and we'll see how it works. So as it states here in the November 2020 release notes, the parameter in the network zone is called Analytics Catalog Available for Members, and the parameter in the member institution is called Analytics Catalog Available for My Institution, this one here. And I'm also going to use a Word document here just so we don't get confused and we keep track what did I define in which place. So first it says in the network zone member at configuration analytics member settings, I would need to define this as true if I want to be able to view the reports in the network zone. So let's go take a look at that parameter. I'll in now University of Knowledge, and I'm going to go to the configuration on the bottom here, open Alma configuration, and then we'll go to Analytics, and then we'll go to Analytics member settings. And we see here that for Analytics Catalog Available for My Institution, it's true. So this is University of Knowledge, and it's true. And let's put this down here just so we can keep track of what we're doing. So University of Knowledge equals true. Okay, then that's a member. Let's say member institution. Now let's go look at I'll put in the name of the parameter too. Okay. And we'll even put that on another line. Now we'll go look at another institution. The next institution we're going to look at is going to be member institution Alma University. And here we'll make a different setting. So let's take a look there. I will now sign out of here. And I'll log into Alma University, which is another member institution in this consortia, Alma University. We'll log in here, and let's go here to the same parameter. So we'll switch bottom left, open Alma configuration, then Analytics, and then Analytics member settings. And here it's false, and we'll leave it as false. So here we'll say this one has our parameter equals false. Now we need to define also in the network zone institution that the network zone allows the members to come and use the reports. So let's go take a look there. And as we see in the release notes, here it's called Analytics Catalog Available for Members, and we're going to go to the same place, Configuration Analytics Network Settings. So we'll sign out of here. Then we'll log into the network. And let's sign in here. Great. So now we're logging into the network. Again, bottom left to configuration. And we've got analytics, analytics network settings, and here we have analytics catalog available for members true. Okay, so let's put that down. Equals true. So this is the important part. What we have on the screen here, we have this member, he is true. This member, Alma University, is false. And our network zone defined as true. So the network allows all members potentially to view their reports. We say potentially because we see here the member also has to define as true. And let's see now what the difference is going to be between Alma University and the University of Knowledge. So let's now first start with Alma University, where if you recall, it's defined as false. And if we don't recall, we see here, Alma University defined as false. Okay, Alma University, here we are, and we'll log in. And we'll go to Analytics. Design Analytics. Now, we shouldn't see anything out of the ordinary here, nothing new, because it's false. We go to Catalog, and we see Alma, which is the default out of the box, Alma University, the name of my institution, the community, and then a few other folders, Esploro, Leganto, but I do not see the name of my consortia, which is the Ex Libris University Consortia, Ex Libris Consortia. We don't see the name of the consortia network zone institution. On the other hand, if we log in now to University of Knowledge, so University of Knowledge, and at University of Knowledge we log in, and here we are. Okay, here we'll also go to Analytics. Now I'm reminding everybody, University of Knowledge has it set as true. Catalog. Shared folders. Now I see the Ex Libris University Consortia. And I see everything that's in the Ex Libris University Consortia. All kinds of reports here. Comparative analysis, consortial circulation activity, loans per use, all different kinds of things. Now, these reports are accessible to me for consuming, as they say, for using these reports. I can, as we see, I open the report, I can use this report, I can save this in my institution. I'm in University of Knowledge now, but if I were to try to save this in this institution here, in the Ex Libris University Consortium folder, I'll give it another name, ABC. Okay, he tells me access is denied. I'm not allowed to change reports which are from the network zone institution. I'm not allowed to rename or save as in that folder. However, I can save in my folders or in the shared folders, whichever I desire. For example, here, I can go into my institution and save whatever I want here, and I'll call this ABC also, and then I have no problem saving it. So now I've saved it locally. So we've seen the network zone can first allow a member or members to be able to view their reports, and then each member needs to define, if they desire, that they will be able to view the reports in the network zone. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you next time in our next presentation.